Hello class, today what we'll be doing is random numbers. With random numbers, what we have to know is there's three key things. We have the variable type that we want it to be, we have the range, and we have the starting number. So the starting number, if we are giving, this would be a range from 1 to 50. Because we're starting at 1, and we have 50 numbers. So 1 through 50 is 50 numbers. If we didn't have this plus 1, this would make a range of 0 to 49 because we're starting at a plus 0. We add 1 to both, and that's how we get 1 to 50. Now with this, what we have to realize is there will be a formula for this. What we do is we take this number plus this number gives us 5, and we subtract 1, which will be our maximum value, and our starting value will be the starting value, 0. The reason why is because 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So again, if we do this with 10, we're going to go 0, 10 plus 0 is 10, minus 1 is 9. And then if we count this out, we're going to have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And that means we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers. So with those 10 numbers, we have it all set. Real quickly, we're going to do 3 is the starting number, and our ending number is 3 plus 3 minus 1, which is 5. 3 plus 5 is 8, minus 1 is 7, and our starting number is 3. Starting number is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8, means the ending number is 7. So let's go the other way. Now that we've done this a lot, if we're going to have the following, and we want to get, let's say, 15 to 21, and let's say 2 to 7, and let's say 8 to 5. Well, what we have here is 15 is our starting number, and our ending number is 21 minus 15 is 6. Now, if we just put a 6 in here, that means we have 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We need 21 as well, so we actually have to add 1 to get 7. And this will be 22, so 1 more than the max. 15 plus 7 plus 1 is 22. Realize we're subtracting 1 here because we're going from this number to this number, these two numbers to this number, but over here we're adding 1 to the 15 minus the 21 minus 15 plus 1 to get 7 because we're going in the reverse order. So again, starting number is 2. 7 minus 2 equals 5 plus 1 is 6. Starting number is not 8 because what you have to realize here is we're going from 8 to 5, which means we have 8, 7, 6, 5. That means actually our starting number is 5 and our ending number is 8. So our starting number is 5. 8 minus 5 is 3 plus 1 is 4. And going back, our starting number is 1. 10 plus 1 is 11. Minus 1 is 10. So our starting number is 10. We add 1 minus 1, and our ending number is also 10. Which means we will always get 10. So here we're starting with 10. 10 plus 10 is 20, minus 1 is 19. And the only one interesting here is we will always get 4 because this becomes a big old 0. Here we have 0 to 3, which still gives us 4 numbers, which is 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Start at 4, end at 7. And then we can still keep this principle going on with bigger and bigger numbers, because all we're doing is taking this number, is this the starting number, and then to get this number, it's this plus this minus 1. This is the assignment, and you should be able to go ahead and do all these. Please realize on the code online, which is all of this, you can just delete. What this does is it goes through and just shows you a bunch of stuff. So the first thing one is, if you comment this all out, you will see that int x, this gives you this gives you this value, and by truncating it with this, it just always prints out 0, because x is an integer. Then down here what we're doing is we're doing the same thing from 0 to 4, creating a random math value, and we're outputting it 100 times. It gives us this. Here, there's the formula, which means plug in the starting number, plug in the ending number, and it gives you everything that you need. So technically you could just use this to get all the answers if you wanted to. And this is another one, which, this just prints out 100 versions of this, just to test it. So what we're really looking at is this right here. So this is the code that you want to basically copy and paste every time. And let's uncomment it out. And what this does is it loops 100 times. This puts an end line every 5 numbers. And this makes it so that this creates a random number starting at 0, ending at 9. 10 plus 0 minus 1 is 9. I put the text stating what it is, I output the variable that's there, and I put a space at the end so that this works out well. Please realize you have to change the variable names in 2 spots, and that's pretty much it. So just copy this code a whole bunch of times, and then change all the values, and then when you compile and run it, you will get this. Which you can leave it like that if you want, then it's easier for me to check. I would prefer it than just a single output. But it doesn't really matter, because the way I check it, it doesn't matter. You have to do all 7 and 6, all 13 of them, which should be easy. And good luck, have a good one. If you have any more questions, let me know, and I'll add to this movie. Have a great one. See you later.